Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize a newsletter block in Squarespace. This is incredibly useful if you want to create a more personalized and visually appealing sign-up form that matches your brand's identity perfectly. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all the websites associated with your account. From the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to customize the newsletter block. This will take you into that specific site's management area. Now look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This button opens up the visual editor where you can make changes to your site's design and content. Once you're in the editor, select a section where you'd like to add your newsletter block, click on Add Block. And from the menu that appears, select Newsletter. This places a newsletter subscription form into your chosen section, ready for customization. Now click the pencil icon on the newsletter block. This opens up the editing panel where you can truly make this form your own. Here you can edit the form name, title, description, disclaimer, and button text to match your messaging. If you want to collect subscribers' names along with their email addresses, simply enable the Show Name field option. You can also click on Post Submit to configure what happens after someone subscribes. In this section, you can edit the after submission action and customize the thank you message that appears. Next, let's move to the Design tab. This is where the visual magic happens. Here you can edit the layout, alignment, background, stroke, blend mode, and blur settings. These options give you significant control over how the newsletter block looks and feels within your site's overall aesthetic. Then let's go to the Storage tab. This section lets you manage where your subscriber information goes. By default, you can click Squarespace to view the Squarespace storage system. However, if you prefer using other platforms, click Other Storage options to connect to services like Google Drive, Zapier, or MailChimp. This flexibility ensures your subscriber data flows directly into your preferred marketing tools. Now, if you want to take customization even further using custom CSS, click Save and then click Exit to return to the main dashboard. On the left side menu, click Custom Code and under it, click Custom CSS. This is where you can add your own styling code to achieve very specific design elements. For this next part, I'm using a browser extension called Squarespace ID Finder. This handy tool helps me identify the specific block ID, which is essential for targeting your newsletter block with custom CSS. Activate the extension and copy the ID it provides. Paste this ID into the custom CSS field. Now you can customize your newsletter block by adding custom CSS. Let's try changing the background color as an example. Simply write your CSS code targeting that block ID and watch the changes take effect. You can continue adding more custom CSS to further customize your newsletter block's appearance, typography, spacing, and more. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your newsletter block in Squarespace, giving it a unique look that perfectly represents your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.